Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to instantly make a 4-layer video on CapCut using the collage feature. So first, you just need to start a new project, then select 4 clips that you want to edit. After you select the videos, click on collage. And in here you can just select the format and also the ratio to create a 4-layer video. So for example, I want to use this format right here. Click on the ratio and you can see or preview the result first before continuing the edit. Okay, I'm going to just click on continue. Then after that, you're basically done, but you can always adjust like this size of each clip if you want. For example, you want to make like have some space on the canvas, you can just resize the clip like this, and after that you are done. Or you can also have or do some further editing if you want. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.